Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use AmEx gift card on Amazon. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Amazon. So once you have opened up Amazon, go to your account here. So open up Amazon and then log into your account. Once you're on your account here, so click on your U tab underneath. So just go to U and then hit on these your account option, open it up, and here scroll down and you will see under Amazon Pay you will see add gift card option here. Simply hit on it, and then once you get to this option here, so here what you can do, you can simply add your AmEx gift card on Amazon. So enter your card code here, so just enter it and then hit on add gift card to balance. So this will add your balance from your AmEx card to your Amazon Pay. And then when you make it, so next time when you use Amazon for any purchase, you can simply use your Amazon Pay as the payment method and complete the purchase. So that's how you can use AmEx on Amazon. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.